Tama, bilisan mo. Ay, wala pa! Ako, huli! Tama, bilisan mo. Uy, wala pa! Ano yun? Hindi ko pa, wala ka
Excuse me. Self.
Okay.
Keep going. Go around. Go around. Go around. No, you gotta move it around in your nostril. Like all the, you're twirling it. You're twirling. There you go.
Oh, it doesn't die.
Oh, it's not gonna help.
Oh, no, it's not.
It's not the point. Yep, do it. Get to do it. You got it. You got it. Keep going all the way around. Oh God.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. Okay, other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm crying, okay. Oh my God.
Be fine. This part's so bad though. Dude. I'd be so upset if someone at the wedding on Saturday had COVID. That would suck. But I don't think I do. I just want to be careful. I have actual tears running down my face from sticking this up my nose. Don't.
Okay. Tell me when.
20 seconds.
Right
Roll
there.
it around.
Oh God.
You gotta tear up. Yep, you gotta tear up. We'll call that 10.
Oh, that was 10.
15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side.
Other side?
Both sides.
Oh.
You gotta be tearing up.
I don't like this.
Nobody likes it. I don't like COVID. You know what?
Oh God. Am I done?
Yeah.
Okay. That side's worse. Okay.
Gently rotation, pushing the swab less than 2 what is that? Ew, wait. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Ew, this is the worst thing ever. I'm so sorry you're having to watch this. Oh, horrible. Oh my god, that was horrible. Now I have to do the other one. Ugh. There's nothing worse than something going up your nose. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. I have literal tears and I didn't even put it that far up. I just hate feelings of things in my nose. Oh shit.
How long's that?
10 seconds. That's 10. Alright.
Is that it?
You gotta swab it about. Do you put it in the liquid then?
Oh!
And then you get your liquid.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh my god.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh my god.